Welcome to AI Svadhyay, your dedicated companion for UGC NET revision. Today, we focus on empowering your self-study journey through clear understanding, active review, and strong memory retention. Together, we will master the essential concepts you need to succeed in your examination. Let us learn, grow, and inspire excellence in your academic pursuits.
Welcome to part 2 of our 5-part research methodology series for UGC NET and SET Paper 1. In this session, we cover questions 21 through 40, complete with comprehensive explanations. Master these essential concepts systematically to strengthen your foundational preparation and approach your upcoming examination with total confidence. Let us get started.
Let us begin with our first question. What is the very first step in the research process? The correct answer is problem identification. Every scientific investigation starts with recognizing and defining a clear research problem. A well-formulated problem acts as a guiding blueprint for the entire study, shaping every subsequent decision.
Next, what characteristics should a good research problem possess? It must always be specific and researchable. A practical research problem should be clearly defined, focused, feasible within your constraints, and capable of being investigated scientifically, rather than being vague, overly broad, or driven entirely by personal bias.
Moving to our next question, what is the primary purpose of conducting a literature review? The correct answer is to identify research gaps and thoroughly understand previous studies. Reviewing existing literature prevents duplication, contextualizes your work within the broader academic field, and establishes a solid framework for your investigation.
What exactly is a research gap? A research gap represents unanswered questions or unexplored areas within the existing body of knowledge. Identifying such gaps provides fresh opportunities for new studies, ensuring your work contributes meaningful insights to the scholarly community. Recognizing these gaps is the foundation of relevant academic research.
Let us look at how research objectives should be formulated. Objectives must always be clear and achievable. Effective objectives clearly define what the researcher intends to accomplish. They should follow the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, ensuring that your study remains focused, practical, and systematically directed.
What is the definition of a hypothesis? A hypothesis is a tentative statement to be tested. It represents a predictive assumption regarding the relationship between two or more variables. Rather than a proven fact or final conclusion, it serves as a testable proposition examined through systematic empirical research and data analysis.
Consider this statement: students taught using ICT perform better than those taught traditionally. What is the independent variable? The correct answer is the teaching method. The independent variable is the factor intentionally manipulated or varied by the researcher to observe its direct effect on the outcome of interest.
Now, what do we call the variable that is measured in an experiment? It is the dependent variable. The dependent variable is the outcome or response that changes directly when the independent variable is manipulated. Researchers observe, record, and evaluate this variable to assess the overall impact of the intervention.
What is a research design? It is best defined as a comprehensive blueprint or plan for conducting research. A research design provides a structured, systematic framework that guides data collection, measurement, and analysis. It ensures you address your primary research questions effectively, accurately, and with high validity.
What is the correct sequence of the research process? The standard logical flow begins with problem identification, moves to literature review, hypothesis formulation, data collection, data analysis, and concludes with report writing. Following this structured pathway ensures scientific rigor, reproducibility, and clarity across your entire investigative study.
What does the term population mean in research methodology? A population refers to the entire group of individuals, objects, or events possessing the specific characteristics under investigation. It represents the complete target universe from which a researcher intends to draw meaningful generalizations and academic conclusions.
What is a sample? A sample is a representative subset of the population selected for a study. Because studying an entire population is often impractical due to constraints, researchers carefully select a manageable group to represent the larger whole and yield reliable, generalizable findings.
What does the census method entail? The census method involves studying every single unit or member of the entire target population. Unlike sample surveys, which examine only a subset, a complete census collects data from every individual, eliminating sampling error but requiring substantially more time and resources.
Which sampling method guarantees every member of the population an equal chance of selection? The answer is simple: random sampling. As a core probability sampling technique, it eliminates selection bias by ensuring that every unit has an equal and known probability of being chosen for the study.
Let us identify a key probability sampling technique. The correct choice is stratified sampling. In this method, the researcher divides a heterogeneous population into distinct, homogeneous subgroups or strata. Random samples are then selected from each stratum, ensuring fair and accurate representation across all vital segments.
Which technique is not a probability sampling method? Convenience sampling. Unlike probability methods, convenience sampling selects participants simply based on their easy accessibility and proximity. Consequently, it does not provide every member of the target population an equal or calculated chance of being selected for the study.
When is snowball sampling most effectively utilized? It is best suited for studying hidden, sensitive, or hard-to-reach populations. In this non-probability approach, existing study subjects recruit future participants from among their acquaintances, making it invaluable for studying marginalized, rare, or elusive groups where sampling frames are unavailable.
What is a sampling error? Sampling error is the inherent difference between the findings derived from a sample and the true values of the overall population. It naturally occurs because only a portion of the population is examined rather than every single member of the target group.
Which of the following serves as a primary method of data collection? A questionnaire is the correct answer. Questionnaires gather original, first-hand data directly from respondents, unlike secondary sources such as census reports, government publications, or published research journals that compile previously existing information.
Which data collection method allows the researcher to ask immediate follow-up questions? The interview. Through direct, interpersonal communication, interviews provide researchers the flexibility to probe deeper, clarify ambiguous responses, and gather richer, nuanced qualitative insights that structured questionnaires simply cannot capture on their own.
Congratulations on completing part 2 of our series. You have successfully reviewed questions 21 through 40, mastering vital research fundamentals from problem formulation to sampling and data collection. Keep your revision consistent, stay deeply focused on your goals, and prepare to move forward with part 3.
Thank you for revising with us today. To continue advancing your UGC NET preparation, please like and share this video with your peers. Subscribe to our AI Swadhyay channel and follow us on social media for regular updates, study materials, and expert guidance. Keep practicing, and we wish you tremendous success.